One contained. One down. One. Duty vacated. 100. Outbreak. Outbreak status is cool. Overwatch. Overwatch confirmed. Helix Victor Daniel is contained. Overwatch reports possible hostiles inbound. Overwatch request reinforcement. Overwatch request reserve activation. Overwatch request sky shield. Overwatch request winder dispatch. Overwatch sector overrun. Repeat sector overrun. Overwatch target 1 sterilized. Overwatch target contained. Overwatch team is down. Sector is not controlled. Overwatch orders 3CC stem boost. Payback. Phantom Crypto contact reporting. Priority 1 objective. Priority 2 escapee. Overwatch activates central transport stabilization teams. Overwatch confirms double boomers dispatched inbound. Ghost drop inbound. Prepare for sky shield heavy suppression and wrap up. Hardpoint Nomad reactivate perimeter restrictor and report. Hardpoint Nomad reactivate your perimeter restrictors and report. Nomad, get those restrictors back online. Your sector shows active biotics. Hardpoint Shadow report blackout status. Hardpoint Shadow report blackout status. Hardpoint 139 is one way, Honor 6 detached, sweeping confirm. Leader 9 to Hardpoint Stinger report containment status. Post Stinger to read. Team 14-9 assemble and reinforce Leader 9 closing port local control. Primary has moved to containment zone, all remaining teams dispatched to Delta 8. We got him now. Fall back and reinforce